had created a video on my LASIK surgery, the entire process. मैंने कितना expenses हुए थे, कहाँ से कराया था, सब कुछ मैंने अपने YouTube वीडियो में approximately कब बनाया था, wait I'll tell you. So I had put up that video in July and it has gotten so many comments, and still so many people had doubts about the procedure and everything. So I decided to answer all those questions and make another video. It's been 5 months since my surgery. I will answer the most basic things or the most whatever questions that have come on my comment section. So I will start with my first question. How much time did it take for the vision to get clear for you? So instantly, I think within 24 hours my vision was way better. It was blur in the first few hours, and my doctor had told me that I think after, so I got it done in the morning, so by 7-8 p.m. the same day my vision was getting better, but it was blur and I had to sleep on. They had applied a contact lens, जिस वजह से I could those lenses were to just protect my eyes, and I had to visit the doctor the next day and I had to get it removed from the help of the doctor itself. I could not do it on my own. I had to not touch my eyes. If they were getting watery, I had to literally dab it very lightly with the tissue paper. But within 24 hours, I could start seeing everything so clearly. It felt magical, like I don't need chashma or lenses anymore to actually see anything. Someone has asked, after 3 months, how's your eye going, as I'm going to do it on Thursday. So it's been 5 months and everything is great. I have no discomfort, I have no problem. If at all I feel there's any kind of irritation, I apply teardrops, which is like just to lubricate my eyes. If at all there is some irritation or there is some eyes that my eyes are tired, I use those drops because most of my work is on my laptop. So I make sure I take a lot of breaks, so that, because earlier before the surgery I had dry eyes ka problem. My eyes were like not that lubricated, but all that problem has 99.9% gone away. When can you do makeup? So I could do my makeup within 2 weeks. After 2 weeks of my surgery, I could apply kajal and everything. Even for all the males or females, whoever get their threading or eyebrows done, I could do that after 9 or 10 days after the surgery. But I had to not make sure that no one is putting pressure on my eye. So I had to be very careful about that. So literally I told the lady to do the threading without me holding it or stretching my eyes. So it would not hurt me in any manner. I had to make sure that there was no injury while doing any of these things. Even with my hair wash, skincare, face wash, I could start doing it after 2-3 days of my surgery. I could not wash my hair, I could not wash my face within the next 2-3 days after the surgery happened. Even with skincare, I was told to be careful around the eyes. So I anyways never really used under eye products. But if at all you do, then you have to make sure that you don't apply anything around your eyes. So okay, what someone has asked me, what was my power? My power was -3.5 and -3 on the other eye. So that was my number. Isn't your eye number stable or not? Of course, I mean, I don't have a number, so that's why I did my LASIK. So to get rid of that number. Name of the procedure, it's called femtosecond LASIK. That was the name of the procedure. From where this process is done, I got it done from camp by Dr. Rupali Sardesai in Pune, and I've shared those details in my previous YouTube video in the description. So if you want, you can go have a look at that if you're from Pune. So these are some of the most basic questions that I have got on my channel from the previous video. But if there are any more technical questions that you have or other medical concerns, I would suggest that if at all you're getting it done from your doctor, it depends on person to person, it depends on the procedure, it depends, because there are 2 more other type of surgeries that happen for LASIK. So it's best that you get your doctor's consultation and get all your doubts answered. This is the max that I could share with you. There are a few more other things that I was doing to be careful about. Was I could not swim after the surgery for good 6 weeks. because of obviously chlorine water. I'm someone who goes to the gym very regularly, so I could start my gym within a week after the surgery, because I was not allowed to do any heavy lifting in the first initial few days, because obviously the pressure would reach my eyes, so I had to be very careful about that. These are the most basic things that I feel you should know about. Apart from that, like I said, you can ask your doctor for your consultation and all the medical related queries that you have. Apart from that, I have a cat at home, so I have to be careful due to allergy issues. Sometimes I do get watery eyes, but as long as I don't shove my face into my cat's body and hold her tightly and squish her like I usually do, I have to be careful about that, because the cat fur can irritate my eye. So sometimes it gets a little itchy, but that's okay. That's not, but I have to make sure, I have to be careful about those things. Apart from that, I have not faced any other issue as such. It's been 5 months and I can see properly, I can drive properly. I could not drive for the first few days after the surgery. So this is more or less, I think, my post LASIK 5-month update that I could do my best to share with everybody. So I hope this has answered your doubts. If you have any other questions, basic questions that you want to know, you can definitely comment on my channel. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe, and if this relates to you and if you know someone who's getting a LASIK done, please share both the videos. See you. Bye.